Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool Cntrl-Elec part #W11552018. Whirlpool Cntrl-Elec part #W11552018 is a replacement electronic control board for Whirlpool washing machines. It is designed to replace the original control board in Whirlpool washers and is compatible with a variety of models. The board controls the operation of the washer, including water level, temperature, spin speed, and cycle selection. It also includes diagnostic features to help troubleshoot problems with the washer. The board is made from durable materials and is designed to last for many years. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement control board for Whirlpool refrigerators. It is used to fix issues such as cooling problems, temperature fluctuations, and display panel errors. Here is how you install this part. 1. Read the installation instructions that came with your Whirlpool Cntrl-Elec part #W11552018. 2. Make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials for the installation. 3. Turn off the power to the appliance before beginning the installation. 4. Remove any existing control panel or wiring from the appliance before installing the new control panel. 5. Connect the wiring harness to the new control panel, making sure all connections are secure and tight. 6. Mount the new control panel onto the appliance using screws or other fasteners, as NEC. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.